guys, say hi.
Hi.
And today we're gonna be doing what's in our refrigerator tour. So stay tuned. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, so first we're gonna start on the top shelf. On the top shelf, and yeah, I just went grocery shopping. So I guess I'm not gonna do a grocery haul. I'll just do a what's in my refrigerator. So we have up here some leftover cheesecake from Aldi's, ribs, cause I guess my boyfriend is gonna be barbecuing ribs. So, and then we have some imitation crab. I think this is leftover tortillas up there. Okay, on this shelf we have a gallon of milk. So I have a 3-year-old and he drinks. Oh, I just realized this milk don't come with a damn label. That's weird. But this is supposed to be vitamin D. I think it fell off somewhere. But back there we have lemonade, and then we have a raspberry lemonade. And then a tub of butter, because I use a lot of butter. Waters. And back there is some sour cream and pickles. And some clear pop for stomach aches, and you know, because I like soda. I try not to drink too much, but I like soda. So. On this shelf we have in here yogurts, and KJ likes these. So we have, like, I think this is the peach flavor, strawberry and banana, and then there's a blueberry right there, and cherry. Okay, down here, and then we have peaches, and back there is a cantaloupe. Okay, so I turned on my flashlight, but this is just a tub of flour and some eggs. We got 3 dozen eggs, a cub. I don't know what that's called. Got bacon in there. Okay, so in this top little, supposed to be a butter dish, but yeah, I use tub of butter. But anyways, we have cheese, lots of cheese. Got the singles, got the Baby Bell, sharp cheddar, chocolate. So in here, also over here is a bag of flour, another bag. I think this is cornmeal or fish fry, and like 3 things of biscuits, Alfredo sauce, jalapenos, and then a sparkling water. Anyways, we got more condiments. We got a mayo, grape jelly, we have a yellow mustard, and some salsa verde sauce, cream cheese, Louisiana hot sauce, some jumbo flake biscuits, Colby Jack cheese, the shredded kind. Then I also have some spaghetti sauce. And we have white turkey breast and 2 packs of hot dogs. And Kaden eats those. I don't eat the pork unless we have some beef. But this turkey breast is mine. We have ketchup, chocolate syrup for Kaden's chocolate milk, and honey mustard, taco sauce, ranch, more ranch. Yeah, I keep my perm down here, so don't worry about that. We got some Miracle Whip, some strawberry jam, some honey mustard, and ketchup. So that's what's in my fridge. Okay, in the freezer, I'll give you just an overview so you can see. I go into detail when I say. We have a side-by-side refrigerator and freezer. So up there we just have Kaden's popsicles. It's hot out. And yeah, he needs popsicles. So we have some ice cream sandwiches, some French vanilla ice cream, and a roll of ground beef back there. More ice cream, Caden likes peanut butter jelly sandwiches. It's quick, easy. We have pancakes, some broccoli, sausage, vegetable pizza, steps, more pizza, and food falling out, and tilapia. I don't really like fish, but my boyfriend does. We have chickens, of course. Okay, so we have neck bones. Just still 2 packs of neck bones. What else is down here? Corned beef, some cauliflower, garlic bread, a smush. That's the chicken I showed you guys already. And also we have 2 more pizzas back here. Another thing of ground beef. A half gallon of milk that we freeze. We don't really run through milk that fast, but always freeze it just to, you know, give us some time to drink the milk that's already open. So over here on the sides, I'm sitting on the floor. I'm pregnant, guys. So we just have some seasoned fries, more broccoli. We love our broccoli, me and Kaden. And we have some chicken fried rice here. And up there is cube steaks, and then up there is some shrimps. Hey guys, so thank you guys for watching my what's in our refrigerator tour. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, a like, and comment, and make sure you come back and check out new videos. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye.